Olori Mariam and her elders was spiritually arrested and wanted to be strength by Iyami Osurunga because of their manners. My correct people, how na dey? How soon are they fine? We are still on the gist from the palace of Oni of Ife. So there's this alleged information we heard, and I was like, hey, if this is true, na im be say Olori Mariam should go and amend her ways. Even her elders should learn how to speak to anybody they see or anything or even a deity, because we heard that in that palace of Ile-Ife kingdom there are many deities, of which they say that Iyami Osurunga is one of them. And this Iyami Osurunga is a female deity. I know that when a female deity will warn you, you refuse, as we heard allegedly. If they want to act, they go act in a way that they will not have mercy upon you. So there's this goose they said that Olori Mariam sent for. A goose that she bought from I don't know where she bought the goose, but the goose is supposed to come back to Lagos. So because of all the things that she had been doing, a lot of things against Queen Naomi, fighting Queen Naomi, and causing so much pain to Queen Naomi, because this Iyami Osurunga is a deity we heard that fights for women justice. And before she will fight, she will send a serious warning to people. If you refuse to listen to the warning, that is when she will now react. So, and it happens that Aunty Igbi, there is this perfume that she bought, a very big perfume that might even fill one trailer. They say that the goods worth 150 million naira that she bought from, and the goods is supposed to come down to Lagos, I think last week. But they found out that the whole goods was diverted to Niger. And she was like, why is it that the whole goods is being diverted to Niger? So she was running everywhere now, trying to know if she can get the whole thing solved. So my people, now we come dey hear say she went to the customs. They told her like that it was one woman that asked them to send it to Niger. If you're looking at that, the goods will bear, you'll be seeing Lagos, Nigeria as the place of landing. That is where the goods is going to be land. But as we are looking at the custom will be looking at the thing and be seeing Lagos, Nigeria, and the Emir of Songa, the woman will tell them to divert it to Niger, and they will still divert it to Niger. So my correct people, now we come to hear say Olori Mariam, after running helter skelter, asking why her goods was moved to Niger, they now told her that, look at you, it is this so woman that asked us to do it this way. And she was like, involving Kabiyesi. Kabiyesi also came with her elder. I think one of her elders, and they came and was like, what is happening? How come her goods was diverted to Niger? Why instead of landing in Lagos? So my people will come to hear say they demanded that they should see the picture of that woman. When they now saw the picture, it happened that it was Iyami Osurunga. Kabiyesi saw it first and shouted. The elders also saw it and shouted. When Aunty Igbi, sorry, saw it and also shouted and fainted. So now the elders, she have called her elders to go to Iyami Osurunga to ask her why she have to divert her goods to Niger instead of Lagos, where it's supposed to land. The elders were going there, burning in their heart that I'm going to do this and do that and do this and do that. Say all these deities, they get priestess abi if a priest wey dey speak through them, as we heard though. they no go fit speak through from them for themselves, rather they will be speaking through people. Okay, so my correct people, now we going to hear say these people they went to Iyami Osoronga to ask her why did you have to divert our daughter's goods to Niger? Do you know how much the goods worth? This and that and that. Now we going to hear say as they got there immediately, they have not even opened their mouth to speak. Immediately they get there, the yard them Osoronga now squeeze them like saying that they enter freezer. Squeeze them all as if say they enter freezer. They say that na so they stay for that place, so they were shivering, freezed, like they want to get cold. You know, say in winter, if you go outside where there is winter, if you are a newcomer that place, you don't know how people protect themselves. This is how you be freezing your, as in about to buy. Hey, that was when Kabiyesi now intervened and started asking, pleading that Yemi Osinbajo to please, oh, these are my in-laws, oh, if you do this one, what are people going to say? Please, oh. Instead of Aunty Igwe to start begging, because she's the one that brought these people to see this kind of thing that they are seeing. Instead of her to start begging, she was there closing her mouth, and they wanted to squeeze her elders. Kabiyesi started begging. Immediately, they said that Yemi Osinbajo released them. They ran like they never ran before. They were running and their legs were touching their head, as we heard allegedly. So they ran and they did not cross that place again. So as we are speaking now, I don't know whether Aunty Igwe have recovered, whether she have recovered her goods or the thing is still at Niger. So my correct people on our side take the hear am. I was like, Aunty Igwe should go and confess. If there's anything she need to reconcile with anybody, she should go and do it, because Iyami Osoronga is angry with her. That is why they seized that her goods. As she said though, that it worth 150,000 150 million. So but anyway, if not for Kabiyesi's intervention, these people would have been doomed though, seriously. Iyami Osoronga for Mimi Nafa for don't send them to home of no return. But Aunty Igwe should learn how to speak, oh, even her elders, because they say that snake no dey give birth to short something, and na dem train her. That is why she's doing the way she's doing. They will learn to speak to what they don't know in a voice. In short, they don't have to carry fight and go to Yami Osoronga. But now they don't go, they don't see something. Anyway, that is the gist. Don't forget that all of these are all alleged information. Thank you and love you guys. Bye.